In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how do I actually earn over $38,000 just by recommending other people products and services. This video is going to be based 100% of my experience. Hey, hello, my name is Ina Castillo, and thanks to my online business, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. And I'm here on YouTube sharing this side of content 100% based on my experience. I can tell you that this is something simple, but that doesn't mean that it's easy. Okay. And with that said, I don't want you to think that you're going to have these side of results like overnight, or is this something that it's going to happen for some kind of magical things. No, this is something that, first of all, you need to have the right mindset. You need to have a commitment with yourself. You need to have a commitment with your success. And the reason why I'm sharing this based on my experience is because I know that if you really put the time, you really put the effort, you watch this video and you have the commitment to do it, you're going to have great results. Okay. But take into consideration that you really need to understand that this is going to be an online business, and if you treat it as like online business, you're going to have that kind of results. If you treat it like a hobby, well, you're going to have hobby results. At the end of the day, everything is going to depend on to you. As I told you before, there is no reason why you should not deserve better. I'm pretty sure that if you're watching this, because you already know this. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you how I actually made $38,667 with 89 cents just by recommending products, and I'm using these free sites. Okay, I'm going to reveal everything here. Okay, and just in case that you're wondering, like, no, I'm not talking about Amazon, I'm not talking about Etsy, I'm not talking about Shopify. To be honest, what I'm actually doing is that I'm recommending other people products and services in exchange for a commission. This can be physical products, this can be digital products. Um, you know, Popular brands that you already know, they do have these sort of programs like Amazon, Adidas, Under Armour, Lego, and others. It's because that this is something that has been around since the 90s. This is not something brand new, but for some no reason, people are not actually taking this opportunity. But you can actually do it. There are also other places that are called marketplaces in which you can find these sort of products. You can go, for example, for ClickBank. This is the oldest marketplace, and you can click here and join for free and be an affiliate. You can also go to Impact, and here on Impact, you are calling something that is called a publisher. Here on Publisher, you're going to see that you can be an affiliate. As I mentioned before, popular brands do have these type of programs. You can also go to websites like Awin, and previously was Share a Sale, and here you're going to be an affiliate. Okay, and you can partner with popular brands and you can promote them. Okay, in my case, I promote products 100% based on my experience. At the time recording this video, my main focus is on digital products, but I have recommend physical products as well as, and this is something key. Okay, this is something that no one can replace, is the fact that you are going to be recommending products that you know that you like and they have give you some kind of results. Okay, so that's the easiest way in which you can actually recommend the products, because it's you. People are going to resonate with you, with your story, with your transformation, with what you were living, with your struggles. Okay, at the end of the day, it's gonna be you, and literally you have a product that they do have these type of programs. You can check on the marketplaces, or you can type on Google, put the name of the product or the brand, plus affiliate program, and I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be there. There's gonna be an affiliate program, and the reason why I'm focused on digital products right now is because the commission is higher. If you go with the physical products, there are a lot of fees or manufacturers and shipping charges that that makes the company not able to pay us more. For example, if you go to Amazon and you join their affiliate program, they're going to be paying you like 10%, 5% commission. So that means that if someone purchases a product that the price is $100, your commission is going to be just $5. But if you recommend a digital product, sometimes the commission is 50%, sometimes even more. Sometimes they say like, hey, you know what? I'm going to pay you 100% on the first product. And after that, on the other products, you are going to be earning like 50-50, 60-40, you name it. So that's the reason why I recommend you to go with the products. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So, which are the sites that I actually use? Okay, you already have the product that you want to recommend. You already have the service that you want to recommend. And I'm going to reveal you, as I told you, the strategy because I'm recommending multiple products, but I'm recommending it in a strategic way. The first site that I use, it's YouTube. See, there are tons of people who are actually searching for information on YouTube. Does that means that I'm not in any other social network? Uh, well, I'm right now I'm everywhere, but I didn't not start everywhere. I Okay, this is how my journey started. Okay, remember that I had two full-time jobs. So previously, my focus one on Facebook. My strategy was using Facebook groups, and that was a lot of time. It's super time consuming. So I was like, you know what, this is not for me. I'm tired. I'm getting way more tired every single day. So then Instagram get on on the picture, but it at the time did not have the reels, the things that they do have right now. So I was like, it's a lot of time creating images and all the stuff. AI was not around. So a friend of mine told me that I should give it a try to YouTube because there is a lot of people who are looking for information and all this stuff. And that's how I actually end up here on YouTube. But right now, I'm using YouTube. I'm using Instagram. But the way I use Instagram, it's literally this way. Okay, I have Instagram. I have Facebook right now. I have YouTube. I have TikTok. Okay, this is what I'm currently have, if I'm not mistaken. But I create just one content. Okay, one content, and I'm gonna put here YouTube long. You're gonna see one. Here I create a short form content. It can be 1 minute or less. Okay, I create it here, and I repurpose it here. So one content, it's multiplied by 4. Okay, this is what I'm actually doing right now. I create one content and I multiply it by 4. And my long form content, which is this set of content. Okay, so that's my strategy, so I can have more eyeballs. Now I have my system in place in the website that it's called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. Here you have your sales funnel, do your email marketing, even have your own blog, and you can create a free account. Okay, use the link below, and you're gonna have the opportunity to have a free account just by clicking your adding your email address. Okay, they're not gonna ask you for a payment processor. So I have 4 content here, and what I do is that I send them to what we call a capture page. Okay, in which I asking people in exchange for something that we call a freebie, something for free. Sometimes the company do provide this kind of resource. Sometimes they don't, but with AI you can create it right now. So I tell them like, hey, give me your name, your email address, and I'm gonna give you a freebie. Here we have what we call the bridge page, in which I'm introduce the product, because remember that here I'm offering something for free. And then I send them, okay, here I send them to my special link. Okay, the cool thing about this is since I already have their name, email address, I can send you more information and more information about this. Okay, I can send you them more and more information about this product, but also in a strategic way. I can send more information and more emails about other products and services as well. And this is how I actually was able to replace my two full-time job. But this, because this is actually working 24/7, I don't need to be around. My only focus is on creating content. And literally, you can create your entire content in 2 hours or less. Okay, because these are simple videos. You don't need to be on camera if you don't want to be on camera. You don't need to talk if you don't want to talk. Nowadays, there's a lot of opportunities. So this is literally the ecosystem that I'm using. These are literally the websites that I'm using. As you can see, social networks are free. YouTube is free. System.io is free. Literally, you can join and find a product to promote 100% for free. But at the end, it's up to you if you are committed with yourself, if you're committed with your success, which I hope you do. Share this video with someone who thinks he or she might be interested on this topic. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I see you in the next video.